All right. Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is a recorded webinar that's following up with Sunday's anticipations. So last time we spoke, we saw the potential for price to sell, but what ended up happening is the market found demand. It found a foundation of support at around the 46 to 50s to 75 levels. This was from November of last year. So as soon as I peeped that, it gave me the reminder that, hey, remember, when the market finds a 4 hour demand and it lands in Asia, the next session, you have to pull up for it, or it solidifies the fact that there will be a reversal back to the other side. It's reversing back to the upside. So usually if this happens in London, from Asia to London, if you see the market falling down into a strong demand on a 4 hour time frame in Asia, you better show up for London because the next session usually has the opportunity you're looking for. And that goes for any pair. All right. So now with the break and retest that happened in New York from that structure, this was a good opportunity for buys. Now, the ironic thing about this is when I went uh to look at the markets yesterday, me and Woshni, we was on a one-on-one call. We saw this gap. We all saw it, but in my mind, I was thinking that price was not going to have as much volume, but I did see when price sold to London lows. And so from there, they gave a break and retest about the afternoon. Wow, I haven't seen a breaker block in a while. Haven't seen a breaker block in a while, boy. Anywho, higher or low, breaker structure. This was the end of last session. Now, we saw price kind of accumulate a little bit throughout the Asian session. Um, Price pulled back not too long ago. And once again, it retested pre-market lows in Asia as well. That's usually a good retracement point. And so I look at the Discord here and I see that Alice caught that beautiful buy. And it was an anticipation that she did have as well from last night. So if she's on this call, good stuff, good stuff. Well, she's not on the call yet. But yeah, so far all of this is letting us know that US 30 is not selling as we had first thought on Sunday. They just made it to the 4 hour low, and that gave them enough strength to carry on and pull back up. Um, so going forward now, the next target is this area of resistance, aka supply. So now understanding that is the first part. Executing the trade is the second part. Now that we have a break and retest, the best thing we could see out of this trade is a retracement within the session to anticipate buys. Now, tomorrow is core CPI. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe, they kind of straddle a little bit. Maybe tomorrow we retest today's lows and then, by 10, 15 or whatever, 11, we have a good opportunity for entry for buys after the manipulation. Who knows how it's going to play out, but uh judging from how price bounced off the 4 hour lows, we can tell that their direction is to head into a 4 hour high, and then we'll see if price does continue to buy from here. They have not retested this area since they fell from it. So even if maybe we are to see price buy to this 4 hour level, um, for F1, I mean not FOMC, core CPI tomorrow, I want to see if they break it. If not, they might be a counter trade retracement that comes out of this as well. Okay, Alice has made it to the webinar. Good job on catching those buys. You were anticipating it since last night, and so was I. When you asked me if I was staying up to trade, I had just went to sleep. I didn't even see this message.
Thank
So
you so much.
apologize for that.
It's okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Good job. I want to ask though, are you in a challenge or just this is just practice?
Funded.
Okay. So you're currently funded.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
And I won another challenge yesterday with the USD trade I took yesterday.
well done. Well done. We are excited to see you get a payout, Alice. It's been a long time coming.
I'm hoping to get one.
Yeah, don't force nothing. Just keep
Eh,
it steady. We want to see a payout from you. That'd be such a day where I might cry.
I know, I know, I know.
I might tear up now. My lacrimal glands are ready to see some payouts for me to tear up about. So
I,
please,
I know.
the whole community is
That's
counting
why
on
I now have a fixed TP. I don't want to go over.
you.
If I
Good.
TP is it, I just leave the market.
Yes, yes, yes. Out of the graduating class of 2021, you're like one of the few that hasn't made it into payouts. I need you to.
I
Oh no,
know.
was it 2023? Yeah, it was 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is why I wanted to get in here and kind of get us back going into understanding where we're at because there ain't nothing like seeing something on a Sunday and you had a one bias and your whole community feels like this is the same bias that we should be trading. But really, there have been some changes and we can't shy away from updating each other about those changes. But when I tell you, I really love the 4 hour time frame. Price reaches 4 hour highs, sells off. Price reaches 4 hour lows, and you best believe in the next session you got yourself an opportunity for the reversals. If you focus on the 4 hour structures for the most part, you still gonna wind up being a decent trader with very strong profitability, very strong profitability. So yeah, I mean, obviously we talk about things such as retests of previous days and sessions. That's just the how would I say this? That's just those are just the small precision details, right? They're like for you to get into a really good, great sniper entry position, yeah, these are very important. But the structure, the strength of the structure and how it's going to change the narrative of price action is even more so important. Very, very important. All right. So yeah, I'm expecting price to buy, but I do want a retracement. So yeah, this is how we're looking for US 30. Once we get a retracement, I do want to get into buying. If I don't get the opportunity today, that's fine. I know price might come back to retest Tuesday tomorrow. Okay. Uh Gold, same thing with gold. We saw price selling off, and then by the time the webinar was over, they pretty much bounced off of 4 hour structure lows where this large wick was at. And you know what I say about large, long wicks. In these zones where there's always these huge, nasty, long wicks, they always are hidden areas of demand or hidden areas of supply. And we had a break in retest, which was kind of ugly with the wicks. But the next day, when price came down to retest Asia lows, that's usually the sign too. Like when price comes back to retest Asia lows, then hey, that's the last stop before price goes back up. When you see a market selling off and it finds itself some Asia lows in New York, shit. Alice knows it's true.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Those that took the buy on gold, that they will swing for. Many
Yeah,
times, days.
yeah. It's already up 1,500 pips in 20 hours.
Wow.
Yeah. So you catch those Asia low 1 hour, 4 hour entries, and you better sit back, relax for a nice long ride to Dubai. Okay. So, mm, yeah, letting y'all know every time there's a wick on the left and price comes back to visit it, that's literally the last stop. Y'all be noticing that, right?
Yeah, that's the peanut butter of gold.
I'm like, wait, how do you see me eating peanut butter?
Oh, I didn't see.
I'm eating some oatmeal and peanut butter toasted bread. I'm like, she see me.
Hmm.
Mm, mm, mm. I wonder if James had re-entered aggressively because when he made that extra 140K and this thing sold back here, I remember him saying he would buy it back. I wonder if he got rinsed.
Wow. Is it a prop firm or personal account?
Personal. He be on that.
You
Yeah.
bless me here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he can win big, but he lose big too.
I'm expecting to have something so that I can put aside to take a live account. That way I can swing when I want.
Yeah. It's sweet to have a live account for sure.
Yeah, because with features you cannot swing. And also you cannot withdraw. Even you see that trade, I could have win 20,000 this morning, but there is no point of doing that, of using big not enough lot size, because at the end of the month they will tell you you can only withdraw every 3 weeks, only withdraw for 44,000.
Hmm.
That's not a lot. So, but if it was a live account, you can win whatever you want and withdraw it.
Yeah.
So my goal is to get 2,500 a day for 10 days to get a payout. Only withdraw 4,000.
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking forward. Keep that one to myself.
So you think the oil is gonna do the same like gold, right?
I'm not gonna lie. Uh, I don't know. I'm not too versed with oil, and I feel like it keeps being driven by like weird fundamentals.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can't say just yet, but of course, if price pulls back a little further into this area, I
Mm-hmm.
would say like this is the type of trade you just like find out what happens next by holding on to it for a month or something. Poor girls, bro. All right. How's everybody's day going?
My day is going well. I'm just waiting for TP to be hit, and then I will get the rest of the day doing something else. I think Jacqueline must she's focused in trading. That's why she's not talking.
Ah, you know your sister well.
She's looking for money.
Mm.
Jacqueline.
Damn.
No, actually, I'm done trading. I'm at
Oh,
the doctor. Hans, I
Oh,
said it was tomorrow. I thought it was tomorrow. You see, my
see?
mom is very
Look
so
at you.
far.
You
It
was
was today.
panicking.
Nah,
oh.
I wasn't panicking only because of that. It was just, it's really intense. It's really intense sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Having a lot of kids and just having to do every little thing for them, and then having take the time for yourself, and then you can, and like
Mhm,
it was just a lot. But like, yeah, today was great. I had a monstrous stories on now. I didn't even talk about it much because I was driving, I had to drive, and now I'm at the doctor's waiting to be seen. And so like I just saw your Zoom pop up while I'm waiting to be called. Not fun.
Wow. Thank you
Yeah,
for
so
being here. You make me
yeah,
want to
I'm
have half a
definitely
kid.
done. You, bro, I was done training, driving. I was not playing today. I was like, I gotta get this. I gotta get this. I gotta prove it to myself. My lucky charm in the backseat, watching me.
Yes, queen. Focus on yourself.
Yeah, so I'm done. I may take off tomorrow, like we talked about,
Yeah.
because today was such a
good
good
job.
day.
Well done, Jacqueline.
Wait, Gloria, happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Gloria.
Oh, happy birthday, Gloria.
I'm gonna mute
Wow.
myself because it's not loud in here.
Okay, okay. Wow.
We
Big
wish
glow.
happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday to you. Happy
Big happy birthday.
birthday.
Made
Happy
$49 and
birthday.
got paid. Yeah. Good job, guys. That's good. That's good. That's good. And you got Alice to sing you. The sister, the anointed sister was singing for you.
Anointed sister.
You got an anointed happy birthday song. Look at that.
Mm, you're 30. Oh.
Yes,
But
that.
you know, you see the law of this area, CPI. Tomorrow is CPI, right?
Yep. Hmm.
This place might be visited. So I have a buy limit there.
Oh yeah. You know what? That's a smart decision.
So when there is CPI, they would go deeper before
Yes,
continue.
they do like to come back and retrace deeper into the previous day
Yes,
lows.
because I
Yeah.
was expecting them to go deeper to take the breaker block, but they
Right.
chose to took the Asia low, and then I had
Yes.
to take a manual entry.
Mm.
But tomorrow CPI, they might come back. I'm not sure, but that is what they do sometimes.
Yeah, I hella agree with you. That's the same
So
thing
maybe
I was
have a limit there, and yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't think about the limit. So good stuff. That's a good idea. It's a good idea. Yeah, it's like sometimes you gotta make sure, even though you think price is pulling back deeper into structure, and
Mhm.
then you gotta take a quick glance to the left and see it for what it is. It's like, oh
Mhm.
crap, price is just retracing back into Asia low. Then
Yeah.
take that buy.
When I saw that, I'm like, not. I'm not gonna wait for my limit to be hit. I will just take it.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. I'm glad I got on the call today, or else we probably wouldn't even have known. We wouldn't even have known Gloria was celebrating her birthday today.
Birthday cake.
Hmm. Christine, how are you? On this.
Hey, doing Uber. I'm good.
All right, how the streets treating you?
Good, good, good.
Awesome, awesome.
How are you?
I'm okay. By God's grace, I'm still here.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
And happy birthday, Gloria. Oh my gosh.
She's eating the cake alone.
Mm-hmm.
Christine,
How's
it's been a
class?
long time.
What'd you say?
How's
I said
class?
long time no see.
Long time no see. It's good to see you. Um, class is a little hard for me right now. I'm not gonna lie. We'll have have to watch a video, and then we'll have homework, and the homework has nothing to do with the video said.
Oh,
So I said I was gonna talk to Josh about it, but I'm just persevering through. But I'm seeing people get jobs. I'm seeing people pass their CSA exam. The exam is $300, so I have to find where I'm gonna get that money. And yeah, but all in all, it's good.
okay. You got this, man. You got this.
Amen.
You've been through it all. I've heard about this website. Yeah, I like the structure of price action this week so far.
Mhm.
It's really just a matter of finding your entry and just remembering where the retracements happen. Asia, you see price coming back to retest Asia and London, that's your cue to get in your trade. And just put your stop loss outside that range and let it do its thing, you know? That's all for me. What else? US 30. Yeah, yeah. We got US 30 as buys. And when you're looking at the S Dow is selling back down, which is a counter confluence. We got the VIX. The VIX went all the way up to 35. And the volatility index, when it spikes up and it starts to reverse, then you got yourself a buy opportunity on US 30 and such. Yeah, it spiked up crazy. It went back to retest April. What? Holy shit. Repeat that now. Yeah. Hmm. All right, y'all. I am out of here. We will talk soon.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a
All
nice
right, Alan.
day.
Thank you, man.
No problem. Have a good day.
Thank
You
you.
too.